Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my February Boxycharm by Ipsy for you guys today. So this was sent to me by Ipsy, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this my way. So what I like to do in these videos is I go ahead and open up these boxes, try out the goodies inside, so I can kind of share some quick information on these products, like maybe read a little product description or whatever, and then let you know kind of initial first impressions and thoughts on them. So I have several of them on my face, but I've tried the other things, and yeah, we're just gonna do a fun little unboxing video. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do these kind of videos, new at the drugstore, favorites, reviews, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Stuck around for a while, I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about Boxycharm for February, so let's get to it. Okay, let me start by giving you a kind of quick, messy look inside here. It's messy because I've already opened these up and been trying out the goodies inside. So first off, I got a skincare item. This is by Biro. It's the Kale Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. It says lightweight, fast-acting, nourishing superfood moisturizer. Deliver an instant surge of hydration with this fast-acting, fragrance-free gel moisturizer clinically proven to quench thirsty skin. This vegan moisturizing formula boosts a nutrient-rich, boasts a nutrient-rich blend of upcycled kale and a super green complex which balance and refine the skin, as well as aquatol and polyglutamic acid, that's my best guess, which replenish essential moisture and leaves the skin refreshed. Okay, so this is what it looks like, a very reflective gold lid to it. This is a really nice light gel kind of moisturizer. I used this today. My chair is squeaking. I used it kind of here on my face because I'm a little bit more kind of normal. I wouldn't say dry, but more normal on my cheeks, so that's where I tried it out. This is very nice. I was trying to see if it had a scent, but I don't really smell anything at all. I mean, other than maybe ingredients, but this is very nice and hydrating, just like that light gel sort of moisturizer. So I do think this is the type that I could wear this under my makeup because it is so nice and light and gel-like, but it has a nice hydrating feeling on the skin too, but it really sinks in but just hydrates the skin. So I really like this. If you like a lightweight gel moisturizer, this one really seems like a good one. Then I got this product, the Dew of the Gods Juicy Couture Velvet Velour Body Lift Scrub. And it says, a match made in velour heaven. The name cracks me up. Celebrate your body in pure juicy essence with our Velvet Velour Body Lift Scrub, made with the oils of guava, papaya, and cucumber. It smells amazing. And perfectly blended with niacinamide. Dew brings the body lifting formula that will help you lift, firm, and exfoliate, while Juicy brings the iconic velvety pink attitude of the 2000s. Born in the glamorous USA, Velvet Velour is the real juicy sidekick, and you won't want to shower without her. So fun. So it's this kind of packaging that opens up. So I tried this on my hand earlier, just kind of scrubbed it on my hand. This is a scrubby scrub. Like it really scrubs, which I like. And it smells so good. Like, yeah, fruity. And I love the juicy fragrances. But this is very fruity. It's so good. But I will say, I think I smell it more here than I did when I was actually applying it. So it's not overwhelming, which I really appreciate. It's just like a light fruity scent to it. And it was very nice and exfoliating. Left my hand feeling very nice and smooth, but not stripped. So that seems like a very nice, what did it call it? Body Lift Scrub. It seems nice. Okay. I love this blush so much. This is the Tarte Natural Beauty Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Let me read some information. I'm sure you've heard about these blushes, but let's just read about it because that's fun. It says, fan fave blush, now vegan for a just pinched flush that lasts all day. Super soft, silky powder blush glides on smoothly and lasts for 12 hours. Delivers a fresh and pigmented flush of color, buildable coverage, blends seamlessly, no harsh lines or clown cheeks. Instantly airbrushes the look of imperfections, vegan and cruelty-free. So this is a beautiful, beautiful shade. I do have this on right now. It's essentially like a raspberry red kind of color. It is just gorgeous. I love it so much. I love these that the packaging matches the color inside. That just makes it super easy to grab the color that you're wanting to wear. This is what it looks like. These are such a great blush formula. Let me just show you the swatch there, because I feel like if I swatch it on my hand, you can't really tell because it's just it's a very buildable, blendable, easy to work with formula that's so just kind of nice and refreshing, because sometimes blushes can be so pigmented that they're just really hard to get lightly applied to your skin, and especially a shade like this. I love it, but I can't have this super pigmented. I have to apply it lightly and just get this little flush of color, and these totally do that. I love this shade. It's one of my very, very favorites. Something about a raspberry red blush I think is just so beautiful on the skin. These last so well. Amazing, long-lasting formula. They are so, so good. So I'm very excited about that. Okay, next up I got a lip liner duo. This is from LYS Beauty. It's the Speak Love Lip Liner Pencil Duo, and this is in Devoted and Romantic. So Devoted is the deeper shade, and then what did I just say? Romantic is the lighter pink shade. So they are a pencil kind of a liner. So I have the deeper shade around the outsides of my lips, and then this one kind of filled in and then sort of overlapping the deeper shade, because the deeper shade is fairly, I mean, it's pretty intense on me. It's pretty edgy kind of looking, but they're both beautiful, and they're a really nice formula. But it is that kind of formula that works as a liner but isn't too dry or something to be used all over your lips too. Like, I was still able to move my lips a little bit together, but it's more towards a lip liner formula than like a really gel, almost towards a lipstick kind of a formula, which I appreciate. I think that's really nice. And there, you know, a good pencil liner is just kind of nice. Love this shade. I think I'm going to wear that one more. Romantic, just kind of a beautiful, I'd say warm rosy pink shade. It's really beautiful. So I think these are nice, and I like the box. I think the box is fun, that it's like a triangle shape. That's just a fun little added detail. And then last up, I got the Rare Beauty All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick. Did I read about this? The liners said a long-lasting creamy matte lip pencil to define and line lips for a luscious look. So there you go. That's what it says about that one. Okay, so the eyeshadow stick. This is in Contentment, I think is the shade. It says a super creamy do-it-all eyeshadow stick that makes it easy to line, shade, smoke out, and highlight eyes, complete with a built-in sharpener. So here's what it looks like. The packaging has the color on the end. So I do have this on, and I have a little bit lighter of a powder shadow in my crease to just kind of blend up with. So I applied the powder shadow first, and then I put this all over my lid and kind of blended up into my crease. So it's all over my lid and blended into my crease. It's a beautiful, like, rose gold kind of a shade. Gorgeous, pigmented, it was blendable. It seems like that kind of formula that's not too blendable, that's gonna move around a lot, but you have a little bit of a play, like a little bit of playtime with it, that you can get it on your eye. I would probably still do one eye at a time. That's what I did, just to get the best blend, but you know, it blended well, and it's nice and pretty and pigmented. Beautiful rose gold shade. I love it. Okay, so those are all the goodies in here. I'm really impressed with everything. Like, if I had to pick favorites, things I think I'll reach for the most, I think the eyeshadow stick and this blush that I just absolutely love. So I think I'll reach for those the most, but I really like everything else too. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please do a thumbs up if you did. If you want to sign up for Ipsy or Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. Let me know what you got in your box or what you're excited to get. I would love to hear that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video.